Hello guys, I'm Sim from rentalmilan.com. This is Chinatown apartment, a big apartment, as you can see. Kitchen area, it's rent in Chinatown in Milano. This is big, unlimited, very fast internet, living room, kitchen, 3 bedrooms actually, but this is now is just separate room. As you can see, let's go on. Here we have corridor with 2 other rooms, bedrooms, and the kitchen. Bathroom. Yeah, bathroom here, big bathroom, big shower. Second bedroom with a study table, wardrobe, 1.5 bed, can be also double bed, could put double bed here. And then we have master bedroom, third bedroom, lot of wardrobe to sleep here, double bed, and extra wardrobe again. To check the availability prices, check directly with Ottavia. I'll let the link downstairs. Thank you.